if an officer has a reasonable suspicion that you have alcohol, a drug, or a combination of alcohol or drugs in your body, the officer may make a demand for you to perform a standardized field sobriety test. In order to perform the standardized field sobriety test on you, the police officer does have to have a reasonable suspicion. They can't make the demand in circumstances where they don't hold a reasonable suspicion that there is alcohol, a drug, or a combination of the two in your body. In order to make a lawful standardized field sobriety test demand, the officer must, like the roadside breathalyzer demand, make the demand immediately. This means that there's no delay permissible in the circumstances. And if the officer making the demand is not trained as a standardized field sobriety test administrator, the officer must radio for another officer to come to the scene and perform the test. This can often pose significant problems in impaired driving investigations because standardized field sobriety tests not only have to be demanded immediately, they must be performed immediately. And so if the officer is not in a position to perform the test immediately, they may not be conducting the test lawfully. For that reason, because so few officers are trained to conduct these tests, and because of the requirements that the test be done immediately, they are very rarely used in Canadian law. However, since the legalization of cannabis, they have become more common in conducting drug-impaired driving investigations.